Oh, hello there. Don't mind me. I'm just doing my evening meditation. Suspiciously like cleaning my paw, right? But that's not why I'm here. See the human over there? Well, just a man caught in a stress-depression cycle. What a normal scene, yeah? You know, as a cat, I'm something of an expert in both failure and success. I mean, I fail to catch my tail daily, but I'm totally zen about it. And don't even get me started about that red that I can never catch. Humans build these funny little castles in the sand. Kind of like how I build perfect spots in the litter box, only to have them disappear. But you don't see me crying about it, do you? Life's like these waves. Sometimes they bring you a tasty fish. Sometimes they just wet your paws, and I didn't want that wave anyway. Even we cats don't always land on our feet. We shake it off, lick our fur, and pretend we meant to do that all along. The Buddha taught about impermanence. Everything changes. Like my favorite sunbathing spot, it keeps moving with the sun. So inconsiderate, really. See these shells? Yesterday they were under the sea. Today they're here. Tomorrow, who knows? Kind of like my toy mice. They're under the couch one day. And my human's shoe the next. Life is mysterious like that. Oh, look, my human is finally getting it. Though between you and me, they'd understand everything better if they just took 16 naps a day like I do. Remember, dear humans, life will always give you lemons. When life knocks you down, be like us cats. Land on your feet if you can. But if you can't, pretend you meant to lay there and take a nap. Works every time. Now, if you'll excuse me, this philosophical discussion has seriously cut into my grooming schedule. And these whiskers don't align themselves with the universe on their own, you know. In the rhythm of these waves lies life's deepest truth. Nothing in this world is permanent. Not success, not failure, not even our struggles. Like waves returning to the ocean, every ending flows into a new beginning. Your setback is not a full stop, but a pause between chapters. This moment of loss is also a moment of freedom. Freedom from what was, freedom to discover what could be. The same impermanence that takes things away also brings new shores into view. This is not your ending. This is your clearing. This is your beginning. Change isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new one. Hoping this tale left a gentle paw print on your heart.
Please like for more wisdom, subscribe for inner peace, share for good karma.